Hey everyone, today we are diving into something super excited. We are building an AI powered technical interview simulator using Langflow. This simulator can generate technical questions based on your input and even simulate a real interview scenario while checking your answers, giving you feedback, and suggesting learning resources if you struggle. It's a smart, interactive way to prep for your next tech interview. Let's get started. We are building this with two main flow. First flow is generating interview question and next flow is answering and feedback system. Let's start with the first part. Generating interview question dynamically. Imagine you are preparing for a software engineer role. You might want questions tailored to your role, your skill set, the level of difficulty you want, and the type of interview you are preparing for, like technical, coding, theoretical, or even system design. So, here, what we have done in Langflow, we use four text input components, one for the job role, one for the difficulty level, one for the specific skill, and one for interview type like technical or HR based. And all of these inputs are connected to a prompt template where we craft a prompt that asks the language model to generate a suitable question based on everything you have entered. Now, since we are working with fully open source, we are using Google Generative AI API, which is free to use, no paid keys needed, that connect to our language model component which process the prompt and return a custom interview questions. Finally, the generated question is passed to a text output component where you can see it displayed in the interface. That's our first flow, the question generator. Simple, flexible, and personalized. Now, let's talk about the second flow, which is where the real magic happens. It simulates the actual interview interaction. So, here's the idea. After a question is generated, you you give your answer using a chat input. That answer is processed by an AI agent, which is smart enough to keep track of your answer using memory. And based on your answer, it's generate a new question. If you get three answers wrong in a row, the simulator will end the session automatically and give you feedback. It does not say you are wrong. It actually gives helpful feedback, and thanks to the MCP tool, it can even fetch useful learning resources from the internet to help you improve. On the other hand, if you are doing well and have not hit three wrong answers in a row, the simulator will keep going until you have answered five questions in total. After that, it wraps up with a performance summary and personalized feedback. Here are the components we used for this second flow. A chat input where you type answer, a run flow component which is connect back to our first flow, the AI agent which handles the logic, track your answer and decided when to end the session. Two MCP clients, one for memory so it remember your answer and another for fetching online resources. And finally, a chat output where the AI gives feedback, and suggestion based on your answer. Now that the setup is ready, let's switch over to the Langflow playground and test everything live. We will walk through a mock interview and see how well the simulator performs. If you found this project useful or fun, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts, maybe even suggestions for new features or ideas for future videos. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.